Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed numbers. Let's start by understanding what a mixed number is. It's essentially a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, like 3 1/2. We often convert improper fractions, where the top number is larger than or equal to the bottom number, into mixed numbers to make them easier to understand and work within various calculations. This process simplifies complex expressions. Now, let's dive into the conversion process. First, you'll divide the numerator of your improper fraction by its denominator. The result of this division, the quotient, will be your new whole number. For example, if you have 7 halves, dividing 7 by 2 gives you 3 with a remainder of 1. This remainder is crucial for the next step. Once you have your whole number and remainder, forming the mixed number is straightforward. The whole number you found, like the 3 from 7 halves, stands alone. The remainder, which was 1 in our example, becomes the numerator of your new fraction. The original denominator, 2, stays as the denominator. So, 7 halves becomes 3 1/2, a clear and concise representation. Let's try another example, converting 11/4. Divide 11 by 4, which gives you 2 with a remainder of 3. So, your mixed number is 2 3/4. Remember, the whole number is the quotient, the remainder is the new numerator, and the original denominator stays. This technique is incredibly useful for simplifying fractions and understanding quantities more intuitively in everyday math.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.